Hello everyone, welcome to watch the official frequency of the Surveyor app. Today, we will share the detailed online process of connecting to the Trimble Total Station using the mobile app Surveyor. When using the Surveyor app to connect to the Trimble S9 Total Station, some preparations are required, including opening the instrument port, activating the TP-Com app, etc. The following is the detailed process of connecting to the Trimble S9. First, install the TP-Com app on the mobile phone with the Surveyor app installed. If you need an installation package for TP-Com, please contact us to obtain it. Second, TP-Com app needs to be activated before it can be used. Open the software and a TID string will be displayed on the interface. Copy this string and send it to customer service to generate an activation code. According to Trimble's policy, activation will incur a certain fee. Please consult the software customer service for specific fees. Third, open the phone's internal storage and enter the Android data.com files directory. If you cannot find this directory, please restart the phone or modify the system. Permissions. You can see config.txt, licensets, and tid.txt file. Open the license.txt file in the directory, paste the obtained activation code into the license.txt file and save it. Fourth, click Start Service on the TP-Com app, and the software will prompt you. Fifth, keep the TP-Com app running in the background, open the Surveyor app, and enter the Total Station Connect interface. In the Connect interface, select TP-Com as the communication mode, and select Trimble TP-Com as the instrument type. Search the Bluetooth name of Trimble S9 on your mobile phone and pair it with it. At last, if the above operation is correct, the software will prompt that the connection is successful. At this time, the user can click the Test button in the lower left corner of the interface to see whether the coordinate data can be returned successfully. If the coordinate data can be returned normally, congratulations, you have successfully connected to the Trimble S9 Total Station.